Kia ora koutou, ko Samu tōku ingoa, reporting for Kia Kids News. We're here at Moana Nui Akiwa Pools in Mangere to see some Manu styles, Manu flares, or even Manu magic.
Let's go!
Doing a Manu isn't just about making a splash. There's technique, there's patience, and tenacity.
Let's go!
If you don't release the tuck at the right time, you can get a back slap that can bring a tear to the eye. You've got to have swag as you step up to the launching point. Many of these competitors have spent years perfecting their chosen style.
Let's go meet some people making it happen. What's your favourite Manu technique?
The cheese cutter.
How does a cheese cutter go? Show us.
Goes like that, kind of. You flick your you flick your feet there, and you go like that.
What do you love most about doing Manus?
Seeing how high your splashes go, and seeing everybody join in.
Mangere, 2, 6, 5, let's go!
Now, Manus, why do you do them?
I enjoy them, make a lot of mates, learn new styles and techniques, and yeah, fun.
What's been your favourite thing about today?
Just seeing everybody smiles, seeing all the hardest tucks, and seeing all the boys.
Do you think you're very good at doing Manus?
I don't know, but I'm trying to practice a lot so that I can get better.
What makes you want to do Manus?
They look fun and cool, and I want to do them.
2, 7, 5, let's go!
I don't see many girls doing Manus here. Do you think more girls should start doing it?
Yes, it will make you become more confident in bombing. Back slaps up for everyone.
2, 7, 5, let's go!
Is there a big Manu culture in Australia?
Yeah, it's massive. Sunny Coast, Brisbane, everywhere.
Did you expect this competition to be this big?
Oh, no way. I thought it was going to be probably 100 people, but people from all around Auckland and New Zealand came to enjoy the event, so it's been fun.
What's the hardest part about doing Manus?
Everything. You have to go through a process. You gotta stand on the board, you're gonna jump very high, and you're gonna tuck real tight. Bang.
Lightweight champion from among his styles, make some noise. 5, let's go! So that's our champion for 2026, the lightweight, everybody. Give it up for this man.
How does it feel to win?
It feels great, just getting my name around Mangere. Yeah.
So what's your name, my brother? Okay, where you from, brother? Where do you practice? Oh, that's your home.
What would you like to say to the other competitors?
Keep trying, and maybe one day you'll be in the spot. Yeah.
What a momentous medley of Manus we've seen today. Only time will tell if one of these people become national champ. This is Summer Rose reporting for Kia Kids News. Ka kite.
Thanks to New Zealand On Air.